Hey, welcome back to Walden's World.
Good luck, it says.
And we have been busy at it. I'm going to tell you, this is probably the most difficult thing to put together I've done Chinese so far.
It's hands-on, no doubt. Spindles,
It's
everything.
literally everything is tore apart. This one we got about halfway done. I'll show you what we're dealing with when it comes in. Shocks are not hooked up. No wheels, of course. Carburetor's not even on this thing. No roll cage on this thing. The seat is actually in there upside down. The spindles, the A-arms are not connected. The wheels are not connected. Just basically everything. Tires, roll cage. The seat has adapters on it. Your fuel tank's right there. So when you get done, this is what you actually end up with. And I mean, for a novice guy, you're looking at probably maybe 4 or 5 hours. We're getting quicker with every one. I think Simon got this one done in 3. So Simon's pretty quick. And then you want to kind of double check everything too. So this one does run. We've got 3 more to go. So 2 more. We got 2 done. 2 done, 3 more to go. I say 3, really 4. But anyway, y'all like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. We got these here in Fort Smith, Arkansas, for little kids. Probably 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 years old, somewhere in there.